Hey family, it's been too long, but it's finally spring. It is finally spring. I'm going to talk about some stuff that I do when the seasons change, especially from winter to spring, because I feel like my hair changes a lot. My skin is dry, my hair is very, very, very dry, so there's just a lot of changes. And the biggest thing for me is lint, because during the winter I love wearing scarves. I love wearing fluffy scarves, turtlenecks galore, hats, everything. And of course I never, get the conscious, safe, lint free type of clothing and apparel. I always just get the cute ones. So I build up a lot of stuff. My hair is it's down there, you know what I'm saying? And it's a ponytail right now, so see if I'm longer than this, you know what I'm talking about? Every time it's down or in a low ponytail, it gets caught onto the scarf or whatever I'm wearing. Even if I have a full hat on my hair, I have a lot of lint build up. By the end of the winter, it's just a mess. So one thing I do is do a whole day of just cleaning my hair out, just removing all of the lint out. And I have tried different methods, different washing techniques that I don't know other people have do, and it doesn't work for me, honestly. The best thing that works for me is literally manually taking it out myself with tweezers. So pretty much just one by one. Yes, it is slow. Yes, it is meticulous. Yes, it is tiring, but that's the best way for me to get out the lint, honestly, and it works well. Sometimes I just have to pay close attention, because I could snag a hair while I snag the lint, and just try to use. I personally soften it a little bit, my hair, with conditioner, so I can just easily tweeze the lint out instead of the lint and hair out. So that's one thing I do, remove lint, part of my spring cleaning. Also do a very intense, serious deep conditioning, and not serious and intense to where it's just like dangerous. The product line I'm now using is Macadamia Professional, and I like it because it's cheap in Marshalls and it's convenient and it smells wonderful. So I get the shampoo. I love this shampoo. I love it. It smells delicious. So it's good for dry or damaged hair. My hair is dry. This is good. It doesn't have all that other black chemical stuff, no parabens, no sulfates, so that's good. I also use the conditioner that comes along with it. I love it because their line, I choose this product line because it's more towards for textured hair, very coily hair, curly hair, kinky hair, and I love it. So when I saw this conditioner and it said texture, very coarse to coiled. Yes, honey, that's me. I use this mask, so I don't use it often. I don't even wash my hair and condition my hair often either, but I do at least every 2 to 3 weeks. And then the repair mask, which is pretty much for very damaged dry hair, is a deep repair mask. It revitalizes hair, just reconstructures it. Oh, lastly, I have dandruff. I just noticed this more now because I washed my hair with all of this stuff this morning, and it looks beautiful. Let me put it down for y'all. It's still a little moist, still a little damp. Washed it this morning, so I love it. Man, it looks beautiful on camera. When I look in the mirror, I'm just like, it looks beautiful on camera. Hey. I noticed I have a lot of dandruff, and I don't know how to take care of that because I don't like the look of it. Let me do a little close up. So what can I do about this? Any suggestions? Should I use dandruff shampoo? Any suggestions? And then lastly, part of my spring cleaning, of course, is just to freshen up with, you know, a little retight. It's not like I don't retighten it during the winter. I do, but I'm just saying, like, part of the whole process, the lint removal, the deep conditioning, just all the cleaning, it's just time to get fresh again, honey, and get myself a retight. So that is the plan for next week on my birthday. So I'm gonna get my hair did next week, and all of this new growth. Honestly, the last time I did it was February. It's a long time, and I have a lot of new growth. A lot of new growth. And dandruff or lint. I don't know what it is. Is it dandruff? It's not dirt. It's definitely not dirt. It has to be dandruff. It has to be, right? So hooking my hair in the wind, okay? Let's see. Yeah, but that's pretty much, yeah. So the lint removal, deep conditioning, retightening. That's all. That's all I have. I hope today is actually Memorial Day. Hopefully y'all not seeing this in June being like, dang, it took her that long to post this up. Bye.
You know it, you know